He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. Leaning. Let's take it one more time. He has done great things. Oh my Lord, he has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. Leaning, oh, bless his soul. Holy name, bless his soul. Oh, bless his soul. Holy name, bless his soul. Leaning, oh, bless his soul. Leaning, bless his soul. Leaning. All right. I hope you guys are doing well. Minister Stein here with L4C Multimedia. I hope you guys have been enjoying what I've been doing. I've been trying to come your way and trying to help you out with this huge VST that we're all going crazy over. We are like, man, how do we get the best out of this huge VST? First off, if we have to deal with the huge library, it's just a huge library. How do we get through all this? We have something so huge, but we don't even know what to do with it. So simplifying the process, I showed you guys how to save your favorites. Now, out of the favorites that we picked, we are gonna do categories of favorite instruments we like from each a couple of categories. Then after that, I'm gonna show you how you can multi-layer a couple sounds to get very, very, very rich sounds for different performance modes and that kind of thing, or performance settings, okay? So we are starting with strings. I hope you guys are ready for this. The way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna keep singing that simple song, He Has Done Great Things, Bless His Holy Name, and I'm just gonna be changing the tones. Then you guys can hear a couple of the strings and then I'll be out of your way. I'm gonna try and do my best to keep it short, between 5 to 7 minutes for these series, okay? So let's get going. If you do not know how to save, okay, your favorites, you just go to the very, very top, don't click it from here. It's not gonna allow you to do it. So pick it from here and just save, and it will allow you to save, okay? And if you wanna do it from here too, you can do it from here as well. Now, if you have a lot of favorites that you want to clear out of a category, you just right click and click clear all favorites, and it'll clear all of them for you. So you have a clean slate to work with, right? So let's do our favorites. As you guys can see, I've listed a whole bunch of favorites that I kind of like so far. And we are going to start with the strings. And I have the VP Soft loaded up at the moment, okay? VP Soft. And you heard Bless His Holy Name. He has done great things, bless his holy name. Okay, so let's take that one more time. Then I'm gonna work through a couple sounds and then I'll be out of your way in no time. All right, so let's start with the first sound. Okay, this is gonna be the VP Soft. Okay, VP Soft. Okay, and this is all from my favorites. So I'm gonna tell you the name and you will know what to do, okay? He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. Leaning, So that's one of the sounds. Let me pick another one, Mon strings. Okay, Mon strings. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. Bless his soul. Lean. Bless his soul. Lean. Now, you guys should keep in mind, I have not treated this. If I was to add equalization and do a couple of things, it's going to be even much better. Or you can decide to use whatever settings you have within the plugin to achieve great results. I'm not even touching that yet. Everything is stock plugin as it is, as it sounds. Okay. All right. Let's go to warm back. Warm back is also nice. I like it. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. Leaning. Oh, bless his soul. Leaning. Bless his soul. Leaning. Okay, and remember, you can combine sounds the way you like it. Let's do, let me see if I can find ones that I can recall. I think I like okay, let's do the Cinema Seattle strings. It's not one of my favorites, but it's not, I don't really like it a lot, but it's still nice, decent. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. Leaning. Like I said, I don't really like it, but it's pretty cool. Classical strings and romance. Oh, probably that's what I meant to do. The Seattle sections. I think I did the wrong one. Right. So this is better. So the Seattle sections, that's better. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. Hallelujah. Bless his soul. Leaning. Bless his soul. Leaning. You know, although I'm singing, gospel songs, you can find value in this regardless of what song you do. We just have to do it in bits just to give you an idea, and you can do whatever you want to do with it, okay? Rich strings. It sounds good too. Yeah, let's do the FM synth strings. It sounds good, FM synth strings. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. It's not bad. It would be better if it's mixed with other stuff, but you know, just to give you guys an idea, how much time do I have? All right, I'm about 10 minutes. Okay, let's try and cut this. All right, so ANXPW strings PAT, okay? He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. Leaning. Hallelujah. Bless his soul. Leaning. Bless his holy name. All right, so that sounds pretty good. Let me see. Background. Background is a very good one. It's a very good one. Let's try that one. Background. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. Hallelujah. Bless his soul. Bless his soul. That's very nice, okay? All right, so as you guys can see, anything you guys see here, you can copy, but I'm just going through. These are all my favorites, so just mess with it. You'll find ones that you like, trust me. All right, super strings is pretty cool. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his holy. Oh, bless his holy name. Bless his holy. All right, so pretty quick. Trying to make this fast. Sin strings 1. Sin strings 1 is not too bad. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his holy. All right, so not too bad. Let's do this worship center here. It's not too great, but I have an idea for it, mixing it with other stuff, but I'm gonna do it so you guys hear how it sounds. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. Like I said, it's not the greatest. There's a lot of work it needs, okay, for my taste. Let's do the leg pad. The leg pad is not too bad either, okay? He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his soul. All right, as you guys can tell, there's a lot. If I try to go through this, I'm probably missing some cool ones that I like. Let me see. Almighty, not the greatest, but it sounds good. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his holy. Trying to make it fast for you guys. Stringy. Okay. He has done great things. He has done great things. He has done great things. Bless his holy. Hallelujah. Bless his holy name. Bless his holy. You guys can tell a lot of good sounds, right? So for the sake of not making this long, I'm gonna end it here, okay? So you tell me which one was your favorite, okay? Out of all the ones that I showed you guys, which one was your favorite? I obviously have favorites, but unfortunately, Yamaha did not present us with the standard way we normally would get in other softwares. For example, if I was to do Halion has a way where we can just pick which ones are our top ones, okay? So you can do it by, you know, your 5 stars, your 3 stars, and whatever, and you can just rate them however you want, okay? Same thing, Omnisphere gives us that ability to be able to sort by our ratings, by simply just do by our ratings, and then the stuff we've rated would come up, okay? And it will go according to however many ratings you have given it. So normally, let's say if I wanted to give it a 5 star, I'll give it a 5 star, 3, 4, whatever, okay? If I don't want it, click outside of it, and then it will get rid of the stars, okay? So we do not have that with the Yamaha plugin, so we just got to take it for what it is, okay? So I hope you guys, oh, you guys didn't see what I was doing. Crazy. All right, let me just show you guys real quick, all right? So what I was talking about here, all right? So Halion allows us to do it by ratings, and we can have 5 stars, 4 stars, and so on, okay? So it makes it a bit easier if we want to do it by ratings. And then Omnisphere allows us to do similar. So let's just say if I was to come in and it was just by the names, it will be a long list to go through. So instead of that, you can just do by your ratings, and then it will bring the stuff that you've rated up top, and then you can kind of go with those. All right, and then the way I was explaining it, you can give it a 5 star, a 4 star, a 3 star, 4 star, whatever you want, or click out of it to get rid of the stars, okay? And pretty much that's a neater way for me to know which ones I like more versus which ones I kind of like, and that kind of thing. So maybe if Yamaha figures a way to incorporate that into this, it will really make it dope, all right? So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a quick one for you guys, so I hope it was worth it. But until next time, you remain blessed. All right, bye-bye. See you in the next video. After this, we just did strings. So guess where we are going? We are going to pads. From pads, we are going to pianos. From pianos, we are going to EPs. And we might find a way to fit an organ in there. We'll see. But that's what we're going to do next. We're going to do pads, and from there we are going to go to organ or piano. Either way, we'll see. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. All right. Sorry that I made this a bit longer than I wanted to, but I'm going to try and keep these ones brief. All right. Have a good one. Stay blessed, Stein.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.